So hi guys, today we're going to do a quick review on Kamen Rider Kenzan Sarutobi Ninja Den SHF. Alright, watch this video till the end. Let's get right into it. Let's unbox this thing. Alright, wait, which side is it? Oh yeah, this one. This side. Okay, so there's the figure. Okay. Alright, we got like 1, 2, 3, 6 changeable hands, one sword, and this one is the book. Okay, the articulation is superb. You see the head and goes right up till there, and then also just the back, it's limited. Okay, just right there, but when you want to lean forward, yes, it goes quite far, but the back part, yeah, it can lean back. I mean, yeah, just a bit like that. More like a straight head. It can looks upward. Yeah, cannot. Okay, and then the torso part, just up till there. Okay, if it leans backwards, yo, what the? So when your neck can't really looks upward, then your body can do it for you. Okay, and then for this part, shoulders are okay, 90 degrees. Okay, and then elbow, obviously. Okay, all right, and then your waist. Ooh, okay, your, what do you call this, the knee only up, sorry, the, what do you call it, your thigh. Okay, only up till there because it got stuck right here. Okay, and then your knee. Okay, and then the ankle part can move a bit because of this armor right here. It blocks. I mean, you can't really go that far, but still okay. And then the toe joints, you can see it, right? Okay, right. My first impression out of the box is this figure is accurate show like appearance. It's okay, the color of it, I mean, this one, the lower part seems a bit dull because this figure I got it like 2 years back, so already exposed to sun and all. I move around, I mean, I move houses couple of times, so that's why the paint and the color becomes a bit dull compared to the upper part, compared to the chest part. Okay, so overall I like this figure. Overall I give it 8 out of 10. 8 because currently this color already like fades. That's all, because I love the pose. It can do multiple pose. I love the accuracy of this Kamen Rider figure. It matches the show. The most important thing is the pose. it can pose many poses. Okay, so yeah, I recommend it if you guys want to buy this figure. In Malaysia currently, BIB around 120 to 150 ish, maybe. I got it 2 years back. At that time I bought it for 180, but currently only 120 to 150, like that. Okay, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Thank you guys.